Okay, it's 9:38 a.m. Friday, March 21st, 2025. This looks like an FRA inspection train coming here with SpongeBob leading. It's Glendale, Ohio, CSX Cincinnati Terminal Subdivision. Mile marker 15. 4009. That's exactly what we got here. Look at that, man. That's impressive. Gauge restraint. Measurement vehicle. Federal Railroad Administration Office of Safety. Is he going to stop here? Wow. Well, he's got a green, but I wonder if the guy in the high rail vehicle is going to... Oh, that's amazing. All right. Hey. So the guy in the high rail vehicle is coming to board this train, and I'm not going to show his boarding the train.